Oh my, oh God. Oh, you gotta be joking me. Oh my God. Oh God, I gotta get some. I gotta get home. Oh my God. Ow! 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 Ow, that hurt. What is this place? Oh, there's some civilization. Finally. Ah, yes. Oh, hi.
Hello! Welcome to the land and the palace of the Rocket Launcher King. Do you wish to enter? Do you wish to enter? Please enter. Please.
Yeah,
It's right in here.
Alright, I'll enter if you say so.
Who dares enter my palace of the Rocket Launcher King? Only the Rocket Launcher King can authorize this. Who are you? Where are you? Oh, you're there.
Fred.
Fred. I knew a Fred. Who's a jackass?
Alright, what do you have a radiator? My car broke down. I'm just trying to
A radiator? Let's ask my friend Steve-O over there.
I don't think he has a radiator, so because just tell him to go away, so I can put some hooks in myself. Pain!
Steve-O! Steve-O, what did I tell you? What did I tell you?
He told me never to put pain to myself. Never put pain. Never put pain.
Alright. Can I just have some gas, please?
Gas? Gas? You want my gas? I'm saving it up to destroy the entire world. You wish to see my gas, do you? My gas. Well, I'm saving it up to destroy the entire world, like I said before, might have said. And anyway, not that gas. Not that gas. I just had to let the rest out. I thought it was bulletproof. No, my pillows. What a terrible thing. What a terrible thing has happened.
Alright, listen, I gotta go. I gotta go.
What?
Why don't you stay here?
No.
Stay here with me.
No, I have a wife and kids.
Stay here with me.
No, please. I really have to go.
Stay with me. Look at it. I'll make your wife go away. You can stay with me.
No, oh my God.
You can stay with me.
No.
Why don't you want me to stay with you, boss? Because you're a faggot. Now stay with me.
No. Get away.
No,
Get away. Get away. Okay. Hey, are you okay?
I like crisp. I like to drink it up.
Oh boy. Oh well. Looks like I'm gonna have to find some other civilization.